kod IEBC odhiambo makauno. Ka odhi nyime Ogande County ma Bomet oyiero Linet Toto kaka jodbure county no. Linet ne en jachung' ma hike ni piny mogik e ng'wech malaro kom mar women rep e county no mane ni kod jochung' 9 mamine. Mathoth ileronwa kod Judith Omondi.
Gikone to moro neno ne Linet mong'ere kaka Toto mane onge geno mar yudo kom mar od bura e county ma Bomet. Toto lero ni en emane en jachung' ma hike tin mogik e kind jochung' duto 9 mane laro kom mar woman representative e county no.
I was the youngest and we were 9. And having competed all of them, I just want to ask them we joined hands together and we work together.
Jonyuol Toto koni ne ok giyie chutho ni nyathigi oseikore kaka jalar kom od bura e county no ma Bomet. Ne giparo ni owala kaka nyathi.
Kiretu alituambia anataka kuingia kwa siasa. Hata sisi hatukuwa tunaamini kwa sababu tulikuwa naona kama mdogo hata ana pesa kutumia. Sasa tulikuwa tunamwambia asiombe hii nafasi.
Siku moja tukaenda kwa masisi mahali. MC akasema wote wanataka women rep. Wanataka aspirant wote kuja hapa mbele. Nikaona mtoto wangu anaenda mbele. Nilistuka sana. Sikuamini, nikaangalia chini. Tena baada ya mwezi mmoja tukaenda tena masisi bali bengine. Aspirant wakuja mbele tena nikaona anaenda mbele. Anataka kiti ya women rep wa Met County. Sasa jioni siku hiyo nikamuita. Uko serious? Nasema niko serious kabisa. Niambia endelea. Sasa tukaanza kupangia mambo ya endorsement.
Linet Toto kaluore ni ne nyadendi makokanoa e mbalariany ne oyudo midhiero mar omenda mag campaigns. Piem kod ji mamoko mane gilaro godo komno ne ok obedo mayot.
You can imagine now having graduated immediately and decided to find I don't have finance, I don't have any job, and I'm coming from a humble background. So my parents too could not finance my campaigns.
Sisi hatukuwa tunatumia hata shilingi. Our competitors walikuwa na pesa. So sisi machi unaenda kusanya watu, unaongelesha tu, eteno vito utapatia kitu.
Wuon Toto Richard Langat ochayo dhier ma osebedo kwa kodalane. Omor nikech mano ukomono nyare bedo jatelo.
Ni furaha tele. Sasa hivi nikijinjwa, furaha tu. Ni furaha kabisa maana hata sisi kwanza nyumbani hapa ametuinua kweli. Tuko chini kabisa. Chini kabisa tuna chochote. Mimi niko nyumbani hasa. Mama bibi yangu ni mwalimu wa nasari. Na watoto wote walisema tu kwa Mungu tu.
Linet osingo mar tiyo ne jodak ma Bomet kod chunye duto kendo chwalo dongruok e county no.
We have several women in our village and the entire county that I want to empower them through groups. We also have several youths that they have finished their studies but they don't have employment. So I wanted to actually assist them in seeking employment, in assisting one another, empowering their groups, their circles and their CPOs.
Judith Omondi, Ramogi TV.